Hi, I'm Chris. I'm here at Jayco HQ and I'm here to run you through the features of your Jayco RV. Let's go have a look. Safety is an extremely important part of caravanning. That's why at Jayco, we either provide you a Tire Linc dock for a TPMS monitoring system, or we fit it as standard to your Jayco RV. The TPMS dock and also tyre pressure monitors come in a package like this that you'll find located in your van if it is standard. If not, you'll be able to buy this through an aftermarket retailer. So in your Jayco accessory pack, you'll find a box that's marked Tire Linc. This is your tyre pressure monitoring system. So within this box, we have the module, and we've also got either 2 or 4 valve sensors. So what we're going to do, we're going to take the module out, and behind the battery here, we've got the Tire Linc dock. So make sure it's sitting the right way up. Just connect it into the dock, and that's done. So to pair, push the pair button, and let's go outside and fit the valve stems. So whilst our tyre pressure monitoring system is in pairing mode, we need to come outside and fit the valve sensors. So remove the existing valve cap and then screw on the valve sensor. And that's how we pair our tyre pressure monitoring system. Thanks for tuning in, and for more tips and guides, please visit jayco.com.au and we'll see you next time.